Have you been waiting for a custom home full of luxurious finishes, but it's still cozy enough for life's everyday moments?
I'm Brooke Chaffee-Zayas, and this is Caitlin Montalvo with the Shannon McCarthy team at eXp. We have the perfect one for you in Prescott Woods. Welcome home.